When you open your trading software for the first time, there will be 4 default charts set on your screen. If these are not the markets that you want to be trading, you will have to visit the Market Watch. Go to your Tool tab, click on View, click on Market Watch. On your Market Watch, you might not have all the markets available. To fix that, you just right-click and click on Show All. All the markets that you're able to trade on your trading platform will then appear. To choose one of these, you right-click on the market that you want to trade and you click on Chart Window. The chart window will appear in the middle of your screen, and that will be the market that you just chose. To customize your chart, you must do the following. At the top of your tool tab, you'll see that preset is the bar chart. Just click on the candlestick right next to it on the right, and your chart will change into candlestick patterns. To edit the colors and make the chart suit your needs, just right-click on the chart, go to Properties, and here you'll find all the colors you are able to change. The one we usually use as default, we make the background white, the foreground black. The grid we leave the same because the grid you disable on the Common tab. Bar up, we choose black. Bar down, also black. Bull candle representing an uptrend, green. Bear candle representing a downtrend, red. Go to the Common tab, disable Show Grid, enable Show Period Separators as well as the Ask Line. Click OK. Now your chart is set to the colors that you chose. So now that you've customized your chart to the colors that you want, you can save the template by clicking right on your chart, going to Template, you save the template, you give it a name at the bottom, and you click Save. Now, anytime you go back to the Market Watch and you open another market, you can just right-click, go to Templates, go to the template you just saved, click on it, and that market and chart will look exactly the same as the one you saved. Let's go through how to save a profile. If you don't want to lose all your charts that you've already set up on your trading platform, you just visit the File tab, go down to Profiles, you click Save, and you give your current profile a name. Just call it US Tech Charts. Click OK. Exit your trading software and then open it back up again for the profile to be saved successfully. When your trading software is back up and running, go back to the File tab, Profiles, and click on the profile that you just saved. Then your charts will reappear. Let me show you how to access your data folder. Click on the File tab, and then click on Open Data Folder. What the data folder is, it's basically a directory for everything and anything that goes on your trading platform. Here you will find saved profiles, saved templates, saved expert advisors, as well as indicators and scripts. Let me show you how to have just a little bit more control over your chart. At default, your chart is very close to the right of your screen. To change this, go to the top Tool tab. You'll see the green arrow is selected. Deselect that and click on the red arrow. You'll see the gap is a little bit bigger from the right to your screen. To change that, at the top of the chart, there's a gray triangle. Click and hold on that, and just drag that to the middle of your screen. Release the click, and then the chart will be in the middle of your screen. Now you have space to move it to your right and to your left. To make it even move a little bit more freely, right click on the chart, go to Properties, click on Scale Fix, and OK. Now your chart's able to move to the right, to the left, down, and up. Let's add some indicators to your chart. Go to the top Tool tab, click on Insert, go to Indicators. Over here you will find all the indicators available on your MT4 trading platform. With Trend, you find your indicators like Bollinger Bands, Ichimoku, Moving Averages, etc. Oscillators, you get stuff like your RSI, Relative Strength Index, Commodity Channel Index, MACD, and your Stochastic Oscillator. Volumes, Money Flow Index, On Balance, etc. Bill Williams, the Accelerator Oscillator, Alligator, and Fractals. And you also get a list of custom indicators. To add one of these, you just go to the indicator that you want. For this instance, we'll choose the oscillator, Stochastic Oscillator, click on it, and here you will find the settings box for that indicator. Over here, you're allowed to change all the settings that has to do with your indicator. The parameters, colors, the levels that you want with it, and the visualization. When you have all the settings that you require, you just click on OK, and the indicator will be added to your chart. Let me quickly show you how to add one indicator on top of the other. Usually when you just add two indicators, it will look like this. You add one stochastic, you change the settings to whatever you want, and then you go to Insert again, Indicators, and add another stochastic. These two stochastics are now on top of each other. But what I'm going to show you is how to put them with each other, so that there's only one window with two stochastics or two indicators inside of it. Just delete this one real quick. In order to do that, you just go back to Insert, you choose the indicator that you want. In this case, we're still going to choose the Stochastic Oscillator. That is the parameters that we want, colors that we want. Let's click OK. Now we have the first one. In order to put another indicator on top of this one, you have to go to View, go down to Navigator, click on Navigator. When you first open your Navigator, it will look something like this. You click on the plus sign right next to the indicator, go all the way down. You'll find the Stochastic Oscillator at the bottom. You click on this one, you hold it, and you drag it all the way across your chart onto your existing indicator. When you release, it will give you a settings box once again. You'll have to fill this in before you can do anything else on your chart. Inputs, meaning your parameters. Let's make this one 11 since the first one is 33. Go to colors. We just change the colors as well. Levels are fine. Now we click OK. Now the 11 stochastic is added on top of the 33. And that's how you add two indicators on top of each other. Just keep in mind, it doesn't necessarily have to be the same indicator. You can mix it up. You can use an RSI indicator and add a moving average on top of it. Or you can use a stochastic and add a MACD on top of it. Let me show you how to change your toolbar. At the top left of your screen, you have the available tools that you can use. Right-click on any of these icons, go down to Customize. Over here you will see the tools that is available for you to use and the ones you have currently selected on your toolbar. Let's say I want to take one out and add a new available one. Just click on the one that you have, remove that, go to the one that you want, and then click on Insert. That will then be added to your toolbar. How to surf through all the individual charts that you have chosen on your platform. There are two ways of doing this. At the top of your toolbar, there's the Arrange Windows button. When you click on that, it will arrange all your charts and put them all on the screen. Or you can go at the bottom, on your left. There you can see all the charts that you have open on your platform at the moment. Those are the two ways of easily going through your charts that you have selected. If you are someone that trades a lot with expert advisors or bots, you must always make sure that you have the following activated for them to actually work. Go to the Tools tab, go to Options, Expert Advisor tab, and then click on Allow Automated Trading. Over here you will see there is a red stop. When you click OK, the button will turn green. That means that your automated trading is now activated and your bots and EAs are able to actually work. Let's talk about the strategy tester real quick. This program is very useful for when you download or have your own expert advisor to test out and to see if it is really that profitable. First, you need to make sure that you go to File, Data folder, MQL4, Experts, and you need to make sure that your expert advisor that you want to test out is placed inside of this folder. When you place it inside of this folder, you close, you restart your program, and then you go to the View, Strategy Tester. When the Strategy Tester window pops up, you click on the arrow on the side. The expert advisor you added to the folder will then appear over here because you have restarted your program. You click on the one you want. Go to the period that you want to trade it in. Go to the market, or in this case the symbol. We're going to be trading it on the US 30, the Dow. Use date. You click on that, you can choose. Let's run this one from September the 1st till October the 6th. Now that you have all the data that you need, you have your expert advisor, you have the market that you want to test it on, and you have the period it must run through. Then you just click on Start. The expert advisor will run through the data. When it's finished, you can just go to the Results tab, and here you will have all the results for your expert advisor. This is a very proper way to do backtesting and to see if your expert advisor is actually very profitable or not. You can also go to reports, and it can give you a very in-detail description of what was happening. Now I will be showing you how to execute your very first trade. Before you do this, go to the Tools tab, go to Options, visit the Trade tab, and make sure the one-click trading is enabled. When that is enabled, click OK. Choose the market that you want to trade. In this case, we'll trade the US 2000. Right click on the chart. Click on one-click trading, and you'll see the small box appear in the top left corner of your chart. Over here you can set your lot sizes, and you have a sell and a buy button. If you see the market is in an uptrend and you want to buy, you set the lot size that you want to trade at, and you just click the buy button. That will then open an order for you. In order to set a stop loss and a take profit, you click on the order you just opened, click and hold, and if you drag down, that will be your stop loss. Because you've just entered a long, so your stop loss will be below that. To set a take profit, you hover over it again, click and hold, and just drag to the top, and that will be your take profit. Same exact thing when we look at a downtrending market. If you want to sell, you choose the lot size that you want to trade at, and you just click on the sell button. That will open your sell order on the market. To get your stop loss, you just click on your order, you hold it, and you drag that up, and you release wherever you want to put your stop. To get a take profit, you go to your order again, click on it, hold, and drag your take profit to wherever you want it. Now I will be showing you how to add your buy and sell orders. If you think the market's going to come up here and retest this resistance level, and you want to put a short in here, in other words a sell, you think the market's going to reach this level and then come all the way back down. You can just go to the level you think the market will reach, right click on the charts, and then click on the sell limit. Your sell limit lot size will be exactly the same as your one-click trading lot size. Just click on that, and that will then set a sell order for the chart you are on. If price comes up, it taps into the sell trade, it will activate, and if you are right, price will come back down, and you will be in profit. Or price can reach this area and just go back up, and you will be in the negative, but for this, you can set a stop loss. So when you hover over your order, you just click the right button, click on modify, and over here you can set a stop loss and a take profit level for your order. When you think the market's going to come down and tap into the support level, and you want to set a buy limit, so when price reaches this area, it activates the buy order and it goes back up. Just hover over the area, right click, click on buy limit, and then your buy limit will be set. Same thing as the sell limit. You hover over it, right click, modify, and set your stop loss and your take profit. When that is finished, you just click on modify, and then your stop loss and take profit will be set for this order. If you think the market's going to reach this area, and then from here it's going to just continue shooting up, you right click, go to trading, and then set a buy stop. Place it wherever you want it. So this basically means that you think when price reaches this area, it's going to continue going up. You modify them exactly the same way by right clicking on it, modify, setting your stop loss and your take profit, and then clicking on modify to confirm. When you set your buy and stop orders and you want to put a take profit or a stop in, remember it's not the amount of pips that you are willing to lose and the amount of pips that you're willing to win. You take a look at the side of the chart and you use the number of price. So let's say you put a buy stop or sell limit right over here. This basically means when price taps into this resistance area and activates this order, you think it's going to come down and you will be in profit. For your security, you should put in a stop loss. Let's just say you want the stop loss at the top of this resistance area so that you have the minimal risk possible. This level over here we can see is the 2248.40. We use that price level as our stop loss. For the take profit, we maybe want to take profit all the way down to the next support level, which is 2191.90. And there we have our stop loss and take profit levels. Click on modify, and there you have it. If you are familiar with the MQL4 programming language and you want to start developing your own expert advisors, you can do the following. Go to Tools, click on the MetaQuotes language editor, and this will open up a program that will allow you to develop and create your own expert advisors. To start creating your own one, click on the New, choose whatever one you want to write, click on Next, give it a name, Next, Next, and then Finish. On the tab at the top, you'll see the one you just created is selected. Now you can go ahead and write your own program. After you are finished writing, you just click on the Compile, and whatever expert advisor you are creating will be saved in your data folder. Now I'll be showing you how to add a custom indicator onto your MT4 platform by downloading it from the MT4 marketplace. Go to the View tab, go down to Terminal. On the terminal you'll see there's a Market tab at the bottom. Click on that, and here you will find all the custom available indicators and expert advisors on the MT4 marketplace. You have the Experts tab, Indicators, Libraries, Utilities, Favorites, and then everything you have purchased so far. Go to the Experts. At the right of your screen there's a Most Rated column. Just click on the arrow, click on Free, and you will see all the free expert advisors that you are able to download and add to your platform. To download one of these, you just click on them, you click on Download, and they will automatically be added to your expert advisor file. So now that you've downloaded your custom EA from the marketplace, you can access them by going to the View tab, clicking on Navigator, and then at the bottom you'll see there's an expert advisor option, expand it, expand the market, and here you will find all the indicators or expert advisors that you've downloaded from the marketplace. To use them, you just click on them, hold, and drag and drop them onto your charts.